Hello, my name is Dylan. My YouTube channel is TheoG Bros, and today we're going to be talking about special triangles. And our first special triangle is the 45-degree right triangle. So, some triangles are special in the relationship of their sides and angles that they are worthy of memorization. Consider a square at length L. So, a square is a four-sided figure with all sides the same and all angles the same. Every square can be divided into two equal congruent triangles. So we can draw a line going right through a diagonal line going right through our square. Okay? And we have two triangles. Since the diagonal line segment AB divides the angles of the square ABCD, angle BAC equals 45 degrees. Also, angle ABC equals 45 degrees. So, triangle ABC is called a 45-degree right triangle, and it is drawn as so this is point A, this is point B, this is point C. So this is length, this is length. And so that's our right angle. So this is 45 degrees, and this is 45 degrees. We would now like to know what's the length of AB, the line segment AB. Now from the Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared is C squared, where A and B are the short side, and C is the hypotenuse. So, length is L squared plus L squared equals AB squared. And we can combine those, so this is 2L squared plus 2L squared equals AB squared. And so now we can do the squared root. So the squared root of 2L squared is the same as the squared root of AB squared. Now we can split the 2L squared into different square roots. So square root of 2, square root of L squared equals square root of AB squared. Now, what happens is the squared cancels out with the squared root. So these cancel out, and these cancel out. So the square root of 2 times L is equal to AB. So this proves that the hypotenuse in a 45-degree right triangle is always the square root times bigger than one of the sides. Okay. So in a 45-degree right triangle, if you know the length of the hypotenuse, to get the length of the sides, just divide. the square root of 2. So let's do some examples. Okay. So, okay. So the length of this is 1. Now what would these lengths be? The answer is 1 over the square root of 2. And it's the same for both of these. 1 over square root of 2. Okay? Let's try another one. Okay? So this is 5. What would these two be? If you said 5 over square root of 2, you're correct. Okay. Now this one is a little bit trickier. Okay? So this one's going to be a 45-degree right triangle. Okay, so this is 4. Okay, so this is a 45. What are these two? Did you say 4 square root of 2? Well, if you did, then you're correct. Okay? Okay, let's try 2 more. This is 5. What is everything else? 5 over square root of 2. 5 over square root of 2. Okay. The last one. Last example. Example 5. Okay, this is 3. What are everything else? If you guessed it, 3 over square root of 2. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.